Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi PrimaDonnaS espresso machine. You can see we replaced this display board and it was going all wonky. And so let's go ahead and pull a shot. The light's not very good, so it's hard to see. There, you can kind of see it. It's coming out nicely. Then we're going to test the milk function. See, that's working well. I use water just so I don't have to clean it. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.